How you doing? Finally cut the stream when I'm not busy. Thank you, Flag Knight. Oh, is that sub count really that sub count? Are you for... Well, no, not anymore. Perfect. Perfect timing. Somebody tell me why the sub count's so damn high. Like, I swear to God. I swear to God it was not that number when I left it. I swear to you, it wasn't. If it was, I've got some fucking memory problems. It's alright, Alex with the... Well, actually, no, it might be Alu. I don't fucking know, Roman Noom. Alright. 5 gifts from the name I tried to say, and then Nephis with 10 as well. 5 from Mr. Buried. Oh, look, a funky bread appeared from me and Rod. Because we wanted to get a higher ghost dog. Ah. Man, you guys be crazy. Huh? Alright. I don't get it. I really don't. I don't get what I ever did to deserve this. Lucifer's cat, cheers for the follow. Wait, did I just see something earlier in the list? It's buried with 49 months. 59 minutes ago. Sabrina. Aww. Well, that's the wrong thing. Did the wrong column. You've done a train already. You've done a train already. Can you please stop? Like, genuinely, this is okay. Russian tank buyers, thank you for the bloody brand new sub. Yeah, genuinely, cheers. This is daft. Okay, Miss Weird 2 gives total of 4. There's we have a sub count that's more than high enough, you know. More than high enough. What is this? One hair. I need to trim this shit. What is that? Just got one that's fucking typed in bold. Alright. Oh my god, what on earth? Please look the shit after yourselves, alright? No, ghost dog, 10 gifts. Total 45, yeah, huh? And no, I don't phase on. This isn't reverse psychology, this isn't a fucking joke, this isn't like chess maneuver mind... Ow! Jedi mind tricks, no. This is seriously like... I didn't deserve it when we had 2,000, never mind this bollocks. That's the truth. I swear we're generally gonna hit... Shh, no. It's a buried 75th gift, probably to round it off. Because that's just the way of it, isn't it? Thank you all so much. You guys are fucking awesome. Like... Oh, speaking of Mr. Awesome. 500 bits. Train in less than 10 minutes. Nice going, team. Less than like 2 minutes from me being visual. Visible. So buried 5 bits, hey up. That's short code of 200 bits, thank you. Oh my god. Oh, and phase on. 50 gifts. 50 gifts. Total of 2,052. 2,052. Actually shove it up your arse. Ren, hello with the 44 months. How you doing? Can we get some thanks and fucking stop to phase on? $250 spent just like that. That camera's not focused. At least want to do this. Hang on. Miss Weird Booty, 40 fucking bits, thank you. Thickman, thank you for the brand new sub. Blathers following, appreciate ya. Zeon 100 bits, this is for you, board man. You've made my day better, what you did. Thank you so much. Oh, yeah, Jared, happy fucking birthday to you. Hope you're doing good. Hope you had a good one. Hope you're being treated kindly. Hope you woke up the way you want and get to go to bed the same way. Oh, Jakers, Quakers, and the Wolfmate follows. Guardian Dan gifted sub first. Thanks, Flack Knight, 7 months. You deserve a steak. I'd like it also was fall asleep to you by the guys who play the sound or you 2 hour cupboard. Headvid, the reasons why. It's because you're so damn funny and I enjoy the yelling to drown out my tinnitus. Sorry to hear you've got it. Generally, that fucking does suck. Thank you, each and every one of you. Got a level fucking 5 hype train already. Nephis, 20 gifts, total of 30. Course, yeah, sure, definitely, yeah, sure, yeah, Debo the Viking, 100 bits, thanks. Memrod, have you been? How have you been today? I've streamed plants on the floor of pure anal prolapse. I did. Hot potato. Earlier today. So I have less to worry about.
This stream tax is kicking my ass right now. Smiley face. You deserve all this and more, Brett. Smiley face.
Angel Doran is free content. Okay, Netherbrood just gifted 10 tier 2s. Then you got Sabode with a 76 gifted subby into all with a tier 2 4 months, 8 really 4 months support boy, great ass Springer with a 10 gifts as well, because apparently nobody even chills the fuck out even remotely. Xeon, now the business is looking my first stream, but over the cast of Vince on Disgrace, happy to hear it. By the way, just so you know, we're on a level 5 hype train, there's 158%. 158% is a free content that you spend enough money on the trigger, over trigger, the actual hype train. You have done that much that it has actually gone in the fucking over direction to the point of not being able to be calculated any motherfucking more with levels that are actually built into the site. And this fucking site is fucking owned by Amazon. They're not one for restraint. DC Mike's doing the 5 gifts as well. Total of 10, doubling up. Why the fuck not? Thank you for the fucking follow. Appreciate you. Funny Manny, yes. Thank you for the same. Cheers. This community has no breaks, you know, we commit to the full stand. Thank you, Sir Buried. Thank you so much. 170% now, by the way. 170%. Because the DC Mikester came in with 5 gifts right in the middle there that I didn't fucking see. Or did I say that? I don't even remember. I might have said it and I've just forgotten already because my memory is genuinely broken. Okay, then there's bloody Master Darks with a 10 gifts, total of 15. Mean Rod a bit, holy shit, decay, bit bands, Pog, cheers. Oh, and then Elmo Foot with 5 gifts, total of 180 because you can just throw a dart randomly at the amount of which to spend. 204%. 204% of a hype train. Eric, your 5 gifts, total of 60 fucking 9. 215%, and then Nephis with 20 gifts, banging it all the way to 260% just before it went. And then Snapper with a tier 3, 21 months, let's go. Edward Newgate cheers for the follow. Angel Doran 10 gifts, total 175. Oh, Taxi's dog with a gift as well. Oh yeah. Master Dark's 5 gifts, total of 20. Oh yeah.
Jesus Christ. Jesus fucking Christ. What the actual fucking shit? What the actual fucking shit? Debo the Viking with the 2 months. Oh, thanks. Fucking really? 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 Wait.
Really? That's what I wanted. I'm sorry.
I messed up, my bad. Hey guys, hi, how you doing? Barberhen wanted to spread the word on this, but me and my girlfriend are officially engaged! Congrats, you goddamn
Motherfucking
No, but seriously, genuinely, I'm not, yeah, I'm not kidding. Shh! Folks, oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's a number, oh yeah.
That's the number, isn't it? Miss Weird Booty, 2 gifts, thank you. Debo, 2 months, thank you. Oh. Okay. Why do we have this many subs? Why do we have this many subs? No, seriously. That's the sound of the beats.
First time catching a stream on a day off of work.
Happy to have you. So much.
No. Immolate. Well, choo-choo it is, lads.
Choo-choo it is. Choo-choo chaboogie. Thank you, Neff. Okay.
Why are you a beautiful man and why is there a voice in my head that tells me to give you money?
Because you are a kind but silly person. Thank you, Ashbringer. I got Taco Bell. You also got a severe case of less...
Been missing streams for a while. Guess like I need to pay my tax. Good to see you in person again though. Tear thumbs up.
Congrats again to Barberham on the engagement, by the way. Thank you, DC Mikester. Can I ask why? Can I ask? Oh, I am Bigfoot with the 10 gifts. Oh, okay. So that wasn't high enough, is what it's really. Super Dementio and Fluffy Candy Monster, thank you for the follows. I don't understand. There are no words. They're in. Oh, and Snapper 10 gifts. That's a Sabrina. Didn't forget about your Brit consumer. It's only been a day. Oh, and Ian's with 5 gifts as well, because apparently direct donoing wasn't enough for him. At this point, I'm pretty sure most of the people who are in just want to break you. Oh, well.
Is that a bad thing?
Yeah. Cold Affliction with 5 gifts. I am Bigfoot 5 gifts. Brand new sub as well. Of course not. Firefox. Karma. Following. Course. Ace 2 in the bit 44 man go brrr. Oh yeah. That's bringing it over to you that I'm a mobile only watcher. Oh, did Jackal too much, hey? Trying to do me with a follow, hey? I found a lot to the keeper yesterday when I got Holy Mantle Sacred Heart, and I was a lot to see its up first run. I had both Mantle and Heart, but also Polyphemus. Lost that run because Mantle sometimes has no iframes. It messed me up. Sorry to hear that. Genuinely sinned. Sealy, Nephus, and Comment Taken. Gifting 10 from Nephus, 20 from Comment Taken in the same second. Stop, says my forehead. Stop, says the sign. Creatorus too much, thank you. Come and take 100 bits over 8k. Now we No. Absolute Greg over here with that. That's the sound of the beats. Of course.
I have a feeling they want to get you to 9k today.
Shove it up your arse. That's the sound of the beats.
Hey Brett, I'm Bark.
Oh, hey Bark, I'm Brett. Oh,
I think I like to be bad.
We were like 300 subs lower about 300 seconds ago.
Let's be more sensible, boys.
That's the sound of the beats. Thank you, Ian Tahor. Thank you, Nephus. Thank you, Comment Taken. Got to reclaim that top tier spot. Nope. I don't have any. I've got nothing else. I've got no other button. I got no other button. I got none. I got no other button. If that was the worst part of my life, help me ignore the noise in my head. Doing these while creating a different one. Does subtract? No, distract me from the similar ones with mine. Thank you for supporting. Thank you for watching. Thank you for paying the same gesture in kind by being a part of this meme rod. Roman Rain Shades 50p. If you get it, you get it. If you don't, well, it's just fine. There you go. Now I can block myself out from the fucking light above my head with these, and then I could just read the rest of the chat. Brilliant. It's about time. It's actually, yeah, sensible. Ace, shove it. Up, you know. Arse. Cheers. Oh, Italian bald guy here. My cat Lita wanted to donate to you, so I've obliged. Greetings from Italy. Greetings from Hello Hi. Greetings from my chair. Thank you genuinely very fucking much. Thank you 407-386-34411 for the follow. Follow-up drop only a few bits today. Still saving for a special Look after yourself. I was enjoying reading you're saving, and then you said that. The Big D Man! So are you D-Man, or do you have a Big D, man? Cheers for the sub. Just to inform you, there is a Steam sale now, and Pyre, the Red Giant game, I think you... Super Giant, you mean? Or am I high? I don't know. Wanted to try a while ago, so thank you, appreciate you. Xenorium Green, genuinely appreciate you, thank you, fucking very thank you, each and every. Thank you, every. Oh, Goblin Pyromancer coming right in with that lovely fucking sub. He's already a Pyromancer. He's burnt his money right there. Look at it. He's summoned my generosity, my appreciation. Shut the fuck up, Brett. Thank you. Appreciate you. Means a lot. This ain't gonna work. And it's another pair of stems to dig into my head. So I'd rather not. Thank you. Also, my other cat, Milan, wanted to donate too. Well, thank you, Mattia DX. Cheers. 5 a.m. gang, good luck on your runs today. Thank you, Idiot Empire. I remember you saying you were going to be more sensible. Happy to hear that. Thank God we don't need more of this silly shit. Thank you so much. God, have you up at 5 a.m. or have you stayed up until 5 a.m.? Because that is a difference maker one way or another. Genuinely, thank you for being here. I'm going to hit launch. And, well, it's play. I'm going to hit play. I've done it. Oh, Jacobs Quakers says start. So I'm actually now closing the game. So we'll just wait a bit longer. Thank you, the Turtle Hermit King Games, for the follow. Appreciate you very much. Genuinely. That means a lot. All of you being here means a lot. Never mind putting up with my bullshit. Never mind. Thank you, Sanron, for the 100 bits. We don't want you to be sensible. For it, we're sensible. Wait, where the fuck has it gone? Where the fuck has it gone? We don't want to be sensible, for if we're sensible, Brett won't yell at us, and then it's no fun. Oh, I see. Thank you, Sanron. Look after you. Begging you. Lollipop. 100 bits. Hi, last time I was here, the sub count was 7,000. Can we get it to... Nope. What mic is that? This is the... Every time. Sure, SM58. Sorry, I never remember it, I never will. Much as I might try to, I never remember. Yeah, it's a good one, it's amazing. Get it with the Go XLR and the fucking something or other cloud lifter. Where even is it? I can't see it. It's underneath the fucking monitor. Yeah, it's cloud lift or something or other. It gives you 12 clean decibel gain. You usually need that with mics like these. A boring salad, no such thing. Or at least there's no such thing as long as you got salad dressing. Thank you for the follow. Mr. Kazar, thank you for the follow. Russian Tank Bias with the best. My pet goose says hi, and yes, she's a silly goose. Thank you. A Carmen Rider, greed rules the world, and we are the knights who opposed it. The legend spoke of an egg will defeat greed and free us all. Brett, you are that egg. Go, my liege, go and save us all. That's the sound of the beats.
Hey Brett, I usually watch the VODs, but I wanted to catch you live and show some support.
Mate, if you were one of the ones watching the fucking VODs with the amount of ad revenue that shit's generating, you motherfucker have done more than enough. Thanks, Big D, man. Anyone that watches them, thanks. You guys, you know, you have no idea how much you're fucking helping. It's a lot, alright? It's a goddamn lot. Well, hang on, let me check it real quick. Fuck it, I don't give a shit. Fuck YouTube. All the stupid you can't talk about. I'll say what I fucking want. Subtract 2,000 from this. That's what we're getting monthly, thanks to you lot. From the VOD channel, which is literally hitting upload on these fucking streams and shit all else. Thank you for paying their wages effortlessly, you fucking mentalists. Oh! Speak the fuck of the goddamn big dick devil! Fucking 5 gifts from Goblin Pyromancer! Ticked Kid Gaming, thanks for the follow as well. Oh, does it also count if you listen to it while playing, or do you need to be on the site from the... No? You have it playing in the background, and then the ad comes up, and you're like, for fuck's sake, and hit skip. That's all you need to do. You don't need to watch them. That's the best bit. You guys are insane. And no, I profit of the... No, you subtract the number 2,000 from this sub count, and the number remaining, that's how much we make. And that's in pounds, not dollars. It's fucking insane. You guys are fucking nuts. Oh my god, and I'm fucking saying it in an attempt to maybe get you to stop spending money, not having that effect! That's the sound of the beats. Hello, Bigfoot. How are you? Hiya.
This is the second stream of yours I've caught, sorry. I usually only watch your old streams on YouTube. That being said, I'm going back to it.
Noticed. Thank you, you goose. Thank you very, very, very fucking much. I love how that... I appreciate that being thinged, but I agree with that sentiment. Jax. You know who you are. I don't know who else fuck saw it. Yeah. I agree with the sentiment. I don't get it. Oh, just wondering, what's your favourite game-breaking build? Fuck, what was it? I had one. Someone said it. Not today. Oh, fuck. Fuck. I don't remember. So what you're saying is that we donate and then we go and watch the VODs. We'll do... No, you don't. Definitely not the fucking first bit. Feel that... Literally, you lot watching it is donating. Watching the VODs is donating. God damn. Oh, that's it. It's almond milk. Fucking hell. Oh, actually, yeah, the Monstro shotgun's probably it. Oh, for fucking hell. Thank you for giving me time to stall, because I can't remember the name.
Breaking the Bald? Got it. Take my money.
Thank you, appreciate you. Breaking the Bald, I'm fucking throwing up a goddamn item in. Items? Fuck, sorry, chat said item. I'm throwing up an asset in a minute. I'm going to show you how you fucking... I'm going to show you how I feel internally every time you fucking do this shit. Thank you, Nero Armin, for the follow. Government Paramount, thank you for all the laughter from all the tubes. From the YouTube, sorry. Look forward to the fun time with all the live streams. Thank you very much. Thank you again, Catchy Nick. Stand on to the bits. Wait, there's a Goblin Paramount here. Should we be worried about Goblin Slayer showing up? Potato, I've read that. Never mind. That's what I'm trying to answer. I will in a minute, I promise. 700 bits. Hey, how's it going so far? My head's off. Big D-Man 2 gives cheers. Bigfoot again. And thank you, that Golden Wolfie, for the follow. Right. It's almond milk. Magic mush, or just something to give a little bit more damage. I don't remember the name of it. The ball of eyes that makes you shoot in random directions on top of almond milk. And Tech X. Done. Done. That's going to be a video, I imagine, at some point. That is amazing. Eyesore, yes. Is that not the description? I thought that was the description. If it's eyesore, then yeah, that one.
Loving the VODs. Can I get a stop, you beautiful bald man?
Jippin' boy, my boy. Of course you fucking can.
Hey Tear, I've been watching you ever since your first 1,000 subs and have been a fan ever since. You've always given smiles during the best and worst times in my God. Just one request, can you say my name in the best announcer voice you got?
Golden! Fuck up! Or is it that Golden Wolfie? Because that's, you know, that's the name that followed, and then you're golden. There's that show handed the Golden Wolfie. Also, there's here you go, Jippin'. Stop! And here you go, Golden. Look off! Hurry up your ass! Thank you, Beyond that to the 2 gifts, a total of 127. Hype train is late today. Cyril, it went to 260%, mate. If it's late, it's because it's crashed. K8 Magic 08, thanks for the follow, I didn't even, okay.
Bald man, you helped me so much. Thank you for that. You deserve every bit of this.
I really don't. Please support sensibly. You can look after you as well. You can spend this on you. Gaelic, you flexi boy. Thanks for the follows. Corvallis with the 6 months. Cheers. Oh, actually, that was just an emote, but still, fuck it. I'm going to go with it. I've already done it now. The throat already hurts. Got to make the video with the almond milk. My nipple was hilarious. Thank you, Barbara Hen. Again, congratulations. Hope you have a lovely fucking goddamn life together. Yeah, Oh, Queen of Scotland, can you scream at Fluffy Candy Monster to go to bed? Go to bed! Massage that throat. Kurosaki, thank you for the follow. Appreciate you. That's bringer. Full coming to your stream. It's gone. It's actually gone. I currently booked Mother's half of the 5th time as Isaac and stopped in show, so I wouldn't be late. I missed the bus. I got fruitcake, Montrose Long, bastard. And Bumbo and Dog Bum, bastard. So I'm good on hearts and damage. Thank you. Can we get some thanks and stop to Golden, please? And many others that have fucking absolutely broke the fucking stream. Violet Fluford, cheers. Zetman with a fucking 150 bits, thank you. Deoxys, I finally got the final achievement in the game called Dead. God, thanks to Eternal. These things got the death certificate and got the C-section item. And yes, just like the people in the comment section have said yesterday, C-section item is in fact an unfinished item. Further proving that Repentance Update itself wasn't 100% finished at launch, that item does absolutely nothing at all, and it's meant to be tainted with this ability. I assume that's going to be removed from the requirement for that achievement or fixed in the next update. Or the final update. Whenever mods are enabled, I don't know. Polo, thank you, 100 bits, considering that this topic we're talking about. Have you ever had actual almond milk IRL? Hang on a minute, hang on. Almond milk, I think so, yeah. I had milk that began with an A, I'm pretty sure it was almond milk. Pretty nice, yeah. I personally love it, as long as it's not unsweetened at least. I'm pretty sure, yeah. I definitely haven't had soy milk. I know that for a fact. I'm pretty sure, yeah, I've had almond milk. Yeah, must have done. Couldn't have been anything else. This is another type of, oh, no, there's loads, like you goat milk, yada yada. But in terms of not from beast, not from animal, then yeah, I've had almond milk. Pretty fucking nice. I had it with, well, I drank it for one, that was fine. I don't usually drink much milk. And then I had it with fucking honey crunchy nut. Lovely stuff, yeah. Lovely. Lovely, lovely. What the fucking hell? You lot of nuts. Like, we started this stream with 7,900 something. Then there's this. Several people are up there. There's like 3 or fucking 4 people just hiding behind that top. It's a joke something about the fucking Mitchell brothers and the big brass there. Zetman, so it's Thursday and I don't you fucking dare! Thank you, the animal, for the follow. I need to tell you thank you. You helped me through the toughest time of my life, then got me hooked on Isaac. I mean, I apologise for the last bit. I'm fucking happy to hear on the first bit I was able to make a difference, genuinely. Thank you for the support. Thank you for watching. Thank you for still being here. Thank you for the kindness. Thank you all of fucking you. I'm fucking hitting launch now. Which I did a few fucking about 20 minutes ago. But then someone said, play! And I saw it, so then I turned it off because I'm fucking hilarious. And because I did that, it's uncensored it, and now I'm furious. Please look the fuck after yourselves, alright? Begging you. I literally disclosed how much the VOD channel fucking generates for us, thanks to these streams just being uploaded and you watching them. Fucking...
Sorry, Brett, but I must do this. Okay, chat, can we get 10,000 subs?
As I was going to say. Subtract 2,000 from this number, put that into pounds, and that is what you fucking generous bastards, just by watching the VODs, are fucking happily providing us so we can pay the damn bills. That's not even counting the fucking main channel. So shut the fuck up. Stop it. All right. Fuck off, comment taken with that fucking exact comment. You're talking a lot for someone within subbing distance. Shove it up your ass. And Sanron with a yes. I don't have a button for it, so... Nope. I know you did it in response to that, but that's all I got. You are the... seriously, pound for pound, viewer for viewer, whatever the fuck you want to goddamn say in that respect, you are the most. The ratio of viewers to subs, stuff like that, you guys are the most motherfucking goddamn generous. Community, group of whatever the fucks, gaggle of bastards ever. And thank you, Reinhard Zelkova, for the 7 months up. Thank you, that golden fucking Wolfie, for the tier bastarding 3. $125 spent right there. Technically tied with this. But then again, if we're going to the fucking subs and the combinations and stuff, I fucking dread to think what today's top was. Just again, because I can't remember if anyone even heard me say it, I did hot potato. What the fuck does the chariot card do? The one I unlocked. Clad Dog, I found a bit don't stop. You do, though. Actually do. Thank you. Mean Rod. Mean Rod. 100 bits. Wanted to let you know if you've changed my life completely. I'm forever grateful, my dude. Glad you shove it up your ass. Glad to hear you're still with us, genuinely.
Here's some money to go buy some almond milk. Because I'm allergic to nuts, I can't have almond milk, so enjoy it for me.
If you've got Cravendale in your area, that's some good quality milk that I'd argue is on par, if not better than, almond milk, so you're not missing out massively. Thank you for the support. Genuinely so much. I'll have to try and remember to go get some from the shop when the old people are done fucking sneezing over the dairy products. Oh my god, KK Matryoshka, thank you for the fucking sub. The gifted, excuse me, I apologise. And then Caleb Panda Bear, thank you for the fucking brand new Prime. The Mr. Awesome found a bit hard, it becomes invisible in a mobile statue with extreme fire rate for 10 seconds. Sometimes the statue looks like it. Oh, the card I just asked about. I already forgot about it. Sorry, there were people putting it in chat. You fucking did bits. You didn't need to do that. Thank you so much. Appreciate you. Thank you, Caleb Panda Bear, for remembering to follow after fucking spending your Prime here. You absolute tit. Thank you. Xenofake Septum 100 bits. Please laugh at my joke. I worked hard on those rhymes. What joke? You didn't put a joke.
Here you go, some sensible spending.
Oh, there's a 69 there. Nice. Bullet attack. Griffith ain't wrong, sorry. Follows. Yeah, I said I was going to fucking add an asset to show you all how I fucking feel. Here it is. Where is it? I fucking found it yesterday. Here you go. I'll find it for you. You guys, I've been here since the first 1,000. Well, this is going to fucking...
That's the sound of the beats.
Hey Brett, if I mentioned it last time, but been a fan since 2015 when you initially got me into Isaac. This is my arbitrary thank you donation as so many have done already, Lamau.
Thank you, Julius. Genuinely. Thank you. Appreciate you. Genuinely thank you. Thank you, Zetman. Thank you, Zetman. Thank you, Zetman. Thank you all. Appreciate you. Do you like how I'm fucking on my way to looking like that? With each passing fucking year, I fucking monkey pawed myself into looking like this. Hello and welcome. Hi. My head's gone. That's the wrong... I did the... You can't see it, so you have to take my word for it. It's the truth. I did the hot potato challenge, believe it or not. Like and subscribe for... Yeah.
Hello and welcome from the chat. While Brett plays Isaac for his and our entertainment, we're gonna be not sensible for the umpteenth day in a row. Including me, by the way.
Thank you so much. Creatorus, thank you. Thank you, Jot, for the follow. Thank you, each and every. And your eyebrows, thank you. I'm gonna play the... I don't. Thank you. Cheers. Oh yeah, I got to you and shat to the bed so hard, the floorboards turned brown. As opposed to the other colour.
Welcome.
The floorboards usually are. Cheers there, Snowcone, for the 40. Appreciate you. I'll get myself a Snowcone with it. Get myself a big old Mr. Whippy that's going to be firing out my ass if you don't calm down. Also, I remember a time when you gussed over the fact that when Keeper first came out, he got flies instead of hearts. Then the next video called him worse than lost and hated his guts. Yeah, that is roughly how it goes with that one. It's the thing of like, oh, that's novel. And then it's like, oh, yeah.
Brett, never in a million years I can thank you for everything you have done. I say this for me and you, and enjoy the rest of the stream. Tear sense 1, tear sense 2, let's break Brett even more.
Alright, who in the absolute fuck would spend 1,000 fucking dollars?
I want you to know that those were 100 paper plates.
Don't stop, don't stop, don't stop. Submit your plans.